with the story of Hari Sadhu. And in the first story we see it is called as the trial. Because still Mr. Sadhu is in the initial seasons of 4 seasons. He still wants to attract customers and he is looking for the ways as to how can he increase his sales. So he's looking for a way to increase his sales. And the best way that he found to increase his sales is by the means of discount. But now the problem is, if he gives discount on a cost price, then he is making a loss. He cannot give discount on the cost price. So what are the price that we know? We know something called as cost price. Yes, we know something called as a cost price. And we know something called as a selling price. Cost price and selling price. So say if I tell you the cost price is 100 and the selling price is 120. And I ask you a simple question, what is a percentage increase in the cost price? Or what is a percentage increase, or what is the profit percentage? Percentage increase in the cost price, something called as profit percentage. I hope all of you are done with the percentage chapter. If not, finish that chapter first and then come on to the episode of trial. Because for you to understand profit and loss, it is important to understand percentage. Now this is nothing but simple percentage increase. He bought it at rupees 100 and he's selling at rupees 120. So the profit that he is earning is 20 rupees. Profit is earned is 20, but this 20 profit is earned over what? 100. Over 100. So what is a profit percentage? In this case, you will say the profit percentage is 20%. And as simple as that, the problem looks solved. So Mr. Sadhu is trying to give a discount because he wants to attract customer. He wants to increase his sales. But if he gives this discount of say 10%, he's giving a discount of 10% on the cost price, he'll be making a loss. Because he bought the article at 100, he'll be selling at 90, the loss will be 10 rupees. And why will he do that? So he cannot give a discount on cost price. You will tell me give a discount on selling price. Yes, he may give a discount on selling price. What is selling price? 120. 10% discount, which means what? 10% discount means 10% of 120 is 12. Subtract 12 from 120. What will be the selling price? 108. Correct. Then he will be selling at a price of 108. Then the profit percentage would be simple. He bought it at 100. He's selling at 108. The profit percentage is nothing but 8 over 100. 8 rupees is what he earned over 100. So profit percentage is 8%. Again, this looks simple. But still he is making less profit. He is making a profit only of 8%, and Mr. Sadhu wants to make larger profit. So he comes up with a concept called as mark price. He comes up with a concept of mark price. Now what is a mark price? He will increase the price to a certain level and then he will give a discount on the price, so that he will eventually make a profit of good margin. So say he marked the price 50% over this. So the cost price was 100, yes. 50% above that he marked as a mark price. So what will be the mark price now? Cost price was 100. What is 50% of 100? 50. 100 plus 50 becomes what? 150. So he kept this as a marked price. So remember, what is a cost price? Something that is you are bringing the article. What is the selling price? You are selling the article at a particular price. What is a mark price? You increase the price to a certain level. And why are you doing that? Because you want to give discount. And if you give discount on a cost price or a selling price, then you are not cost price, obviously you are making a loss. On selling price you are not making a profit up to a level. So he increased the price and he came up with the concept of mark price. Then what did he said? He said, I'll give a discount of 10% on this mark price. So what is 10% of 150? That is nothing but 15. So he gave a discount of rupees 15, and now the selling price became what? 135. This became the selling price. So he marked the price 50% over the cost price, and then he gave the discount. Now what is the profit he is making? What is the profit? Now he bought it at 100. He's selling at 135. The profit that he is making is 35 over 100. 35 is what percent of 100? 35%. And that's like a big margin of profit that he is making as compared to the 8%. At the start, when he gave, the discount on selling price, he made just a profit of 8%. Now he's making a profit of what? 35%. But this happened till first week. Till first week he gave a discount of 10%, and he realized that he's not able to attract customers because even the price of 135 looked high to customers. So customers were not coming at this price. So what did he do? He gave one more discount. So he came up with one more discount, and now the discount is of 20%. So in the first week, what happened? In the first week he gave a discount of 10%. This happened in the first week. And in the second week he again gave a discount of now 20%. He gave a discount of 20% over this mark price of 135. So let's see now what is 10% of 135 is 13.5. So what is 20%? It is nothing but equal to 13.5 into 2, which is 27. Subtract 27 from this. Subtract 27. What will the price come out to be? It will come out to be 108. So he sold now in the second week the article at rupees 108. Which means what is the profit that he is getting? 8%. He bought it at 100, is selling at 108. Profit is 8 over 100. 8% is the profit. But then he realized what? This profit of 10% and 20% is working, because in the first week he gave 10% discount. In the second week he gave 20% discount, and eventually he realized from third week onwards the customers were coming in the shop. The customers were coming in Four Seasons. So what did he realize? This discount works. This discount works. 10% and 20%. But he want to display this discount on a board. He cannot put it on a board. Okay, come in the first week, get a discount of 10%. Come in the second week, get a discount of 20%. He has to put one discount for this two discount. One discount that he can put on a display board starting from third week onward. What will that be? So the question is now, two successive discount of 10% and 20% is equivalent to one discount of how many percent? Something that he'll be writing on the board. Okay, now understand this. We have studied this in percentage. Let's understand this even better now. So what is being happening? Say initially it was 100. Okay, which is nothing but my mark price. I'm telling the mark price was 100%. Then he gave a discount of 10% over it. 10% discount. So what was left was 90% of the mark price. If you can see, 90% of the mark price is nothing but 135. That was left, correct? Then what did he do? Then he gave 20% of the discount on this. 20% of the discount on this. So what is 20% of 90? That is nothing but 18. That is nothing but 18. Subtract 18 from 90. That comes out to be what? 72. So what do you mean by this? Earlier when he had 100%, which means 100% means 150, 100% of the mark price. Now what is he left to? 72% of the mark price is left to. So what is the discount that he has given? From 100 to 72 he has reached. Discount given is 28%. 28%. Which means two successive discount of 10% and 20% is equivalent to one discount of not 30%. Not 30% is equivalent to one discount of how many percent? 28%. Okay, if you are still not able to imagine this, let's see this. What was the mark price? 150. Now if he writes it on a board, come and get a discount of 28%. What is 28% of 150? Just see this. What is 20%? It is 30. What is 8%? It is nothing but 12. 8% of this. So 28% becomes 42. Subtract 42 from this. What comes out to be? 108. That is the same price that he was selling it earlier. Correct? Okay, so two successive discount of 10% and 20% is equivalent to one discount of how many percent? 28%. Which means from third week onwards, he'll put a board. He'll put a board on which he'll write what? Come and get a discount of 28%. Because all the products which he has bought it at 100, he has kept the mark price at 150, and on 150 he is giving a discount of 28%, such that he is selling the articles at 108 rupees. So what is the cost price? 100. What is the mark price? 150. What is the selling price? 108. And what is the discount? 28%. Okay, and this 28% discount came by a trial. And the trial was, first week he gave a discount of 10%. And the selling price was 135, but the customers were not coming at the selling price. Then he gave a discount of 20% starting from second week onwards. And then he realized the two discount of 10% and 20% is working. If I sell it at 108, customers are coming. But I need to write a discount on a board. What will be that one discount? So two successive discount of 10% and 20% is equivalent to one discount of 28%. Okay, this clears the concept on trials. Okay, let's see few more problems that Mr. Sadhu come across in 4 season.